Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I could show you a really simple massage move, and it's so easy that I'm going to get Alan to do it on me because it's one move that you'll be familiar with if you watch massage videos, but it is so effective for so many different reasons, and we're going to concentrate on your bicep. The reason being that how many times do we get achy arms, and it could be achy because you're just tired, maybe you've been exercising, maybe you've been lifting things or doing things in the house. It could even be that you might have overexerted, just one day you've been carrying the shopping and then the next day your bicep and your tricep and your arm is just so painful and so sore. So there are other parts of the body where you can do ringing, but ringing is so effective on this area. I swear it can instantly relax you. It could even send you to sleep. It is so relaxing and so easy. So Alan, if you want, right, all you need is just a little bit of massage medium. I'll just roll this sleeve up. It could be oil, it could be a bit of body lotion, it could be anything. And if this area just feels a bit tender or tired or muscular sore or anything like that, then it's so easy to ring. Now you can have your arm flat down, you can raise it up. Sometimes if someone's standing in front of you, you can actually place your arm around their waist just for stability. Look, this is it. I actually said to him before the video, are you comfortable with ringing? It is literally just the same way that you would wring out a cloth or a towel. One hand is moving one way and one hand is moving the other. And you know what's so effective? You can even move a little bit round. You can move, just get right over it. It feels so good. So if you want to wring the upper arm, just do it again for maybe a minute. It's going to increase your circulation. You'll get erythema. Because you're increasing that circulation, that means you get blood flow. That means you get oxygen, you get nutrients. It also helps if you've got sore muscles in aiding the recovery. If they're sore, it's going to help to boost the lactic acid. It can also help to relax you in general. The squeezing can loosen any tightness. If you're tense, it can help. If you want to actually get a little bit of mobility in your arm, it can help. It can help with flexibility. My goodness, we can go on and on. You know that if you're boosting circulation, that also means you're removing lymph. I'm not saying that it'll help if you've got anything wrong, but if you know that your arms actually, let's just say it's a bit achy because you've overdone it, it can actually help with that rehab and it can speed it along. I'm not saying that if you actually had an injury it would help with that, but it can definitely help if you know that it's a muscle ache or a pull or something that the actual ringing can help with. And we're done. And I wonder if I've got it. Yep, look, I've got erythema. So that's really all it takes. I've now got this erythema here. That also means that we've had some deep tissue work there too, which means because we've worked deeper into the muscle, we're going to really see an effect in if we've got any nodules there, if we've got any knots, if we've got any tightness. Honestly, I cannot say how effective ringing is enough. It's just one of those moves that we sometimes don't think enough about, but not only does it do all that, I also happen to think that it's a really nice move to perform and also a really nice move to actually have performed on you as the receiver of the massage. And if someone can do it who is not a massage therapist and do it well, then it just goes to show how easy a move and how effective a move it is. So look, I've got erythema there. That means that that has been effective in what I need it to do. I am now going to relax. I'm going to insist on having the other arm done to balance it out. You know that I'm big on saying about massages to help you relax at night too. I also think you could add this to the list if you had trouble sleeping and you had someone that was kind enough and willing to actually do a little bit of arm work. I think if you were lying down, ready to doze, ready to relax and go to sleep, to say to someone, would you mind doing just a little bit of ringing on my arm? For me personally, I think it could help you nod off. But again, everyone's different. Now what we didn't do is any effleurage to warm up because I've already been moving about today. But if you were going in cold, I'd always say do some effleurage to warm up the area and then feel free to do some effleurage afterwards just to enhance the removal of any lymphatic fluid. But there you go, ringing, one of those movements that we just don't think enough about treating the upper arm. So I hope you found that useful. Let me know if it's something that you do. Maybe you do it instinctively. Maybe you ring your arm when you've hurt it or you've bumped it or you've got a bruise. Or maybe you do get someone else to do it for you, or you love receiving it as part of a massage treatment. I'd love to know. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.